So remember that if you choose option one, your spouse gets nothing for it. And then when you choose one of those other options, they're either going to get all of your pension, half, or 2/3 of that pension amount. A lot of people choose the middle road option, the 66%, but not doing the math of what my spouse actually get. So if your pension gets reduced to $9,000 per month, for example, because you chose the 2/3 option, something happens to you, your spouse gets 2/3 of that $9,000. They only get $6,000 per month. Now, if that's enough to help cover their bills, great. But if you're needing all that $9,000, to help cover them, now they're $3,000 a month short. That's going to be a hard thing to make up unless you have a significant amount of savings in the bank or you're significantly reducing your expenses. Now, it's true as you get older, retirement, you travel less, expenses typically go down. But remember, we still have inflation, healthcare, long-term care can completely change that at any point in time. So last thing you probably want to leave your spouse with is less income, because when you pass away, they're also going to change tax brackets. You go from married filing jointly, the best tax rate that we have, down to single filing, which is the least favorable tax rates. So it's called the widow's tax trap, and they may end up paying more taxes even with slightly less or even the same income. So they'll net less income than they would have otherwise. So it's something to take into account before just checking a box on your survivorship option.